Thank you for being here today. I am also from Illinois and represent the south side of Chicago and further south, and manufacturing is one of my biggest employers, but we're suffering in my area from unemployment higher than even the state of Illinois' average. You talk about in your testimony, Dr. Biller, the importance of small and medium-sized manufacturers, and indicate that the Centers for Manufacturing Innovation proposed by the legislation can help small and medium enterprises introduce novel manufacturing technology into the U.S. supply chain more rapidly. What do you think are some of the specific challenges faced by some of the smaller manufacturers?
Well, let's try and take the idea of creating a new product and the new product lines in the virtual space, because that's really where the development is going, that people are creating something in a CAD, computer-aided design, then they move it to computer-aided manufacturing, computer-aided engineering. Everything happens essentially in the computer. It's all digital. And so now our suppliers, especially the smaller ones, might lack A, access to such tools because they're expensive, and B, access to engineers who can operate those tools even if they had those tools. So for us, it's really critical that those SMEs get trained in these skills, and that they have access maybe on a by the drink way through an institute way, so that they can actually continue to be our suppliers or become our supplier. What we want as General Electric, we want to have as competitive as a supply base as possible. It helps us, it helps the nations, it helps the suppliers, it helps everybody. And so we think that is really critical, that we get to such an environment where people have access to that. And if we don't allow SMEs to acquire such skills, then we'll see what we have seen before, that companies will leave because they have such skills in other countries. And let's make no mistake about it, China, Germany, Japan, they are all helping their SMEs to get such suppliers. Fraunhofers have been in existence for 60 or 70 years, continuously, basically serving as a transfer mechanism from one SME to the next by developing the technologies in these federal institutes. So we think this is really required to continue to have an SME base, and maybe even to expand the SME base, and hopefully help your district to get to a better employment level.
Right, because it's more the small and medium-sized manufacturers that really hire the area residents, and that, like has been said already, that people have great concern about not being able to replace people when they retire because people don't have the skills.
Yes.
Thank you.